How would you feel if you did not learn something that you really wanted to learn? What would you feel like if you could not ask somebody for something just because you did not know how to? Well, these are the problems I'm trying to solve. Local kids not being able to da-da-da. Hello, nama saya Zosia, umur saya 11. Saya bukan pemilih makanan dan saya suka binatang. Hi, my name is Zosia. I'm 11 years old. I am not a picky eater, and I love animals. I solved the problem of local kids not getting enough education by teaching them some English, some new games to make it fun for them, how to write a little bit in English, and how to draw. The English and drawing was all about endangered species, along with some facts about each animal. The successes I had were I taught the kids something that they will remember and hopefully someday use, and they had fun playing the games, like the 3-part drawing and silent ball. 3-part drawing is when, I had an example, you get a piece of paper, you fold it into 3, and each person does a head, a tail, and a body of an animal, and when you open it up, it made the kids laugh a lot because they all chose different animals. And silent ball is you get this ball and you pass it around and you got to make the kids do a bunch of things, and they basically laughed at each other, and they were having fun. That's not the way I thought it would happen, but yeah, they had fun. And I think the hardest thing about my project was when we were planning, they thought they were supposed to help me, so they taught me how to do offerings, and they made these rice cakes with me, and they taught me this hopscotch thing that's not quite hopscotch, and it was very fun, but that's not what I was trying to do. I was not so consistent in my Indonesian, and it was very hard for them to understand. I felt really bad about that. I learned to be patient and think ahead of time so I would not be rushed. I also learned to be flexible and be ready to make some changes. I hope my project will encourage them to try to talk a bit more in English and to do what they want to do. The local kids have had a challenge, one that I have not intended them to have, which is trying to understand me talking in English. Even with my translator, it was really hard for them to understand. I hope I can look back on this project and see all the good things, and thank you for listening to my speech.